Good morning, everybody. All friends are welcome. I am Subhenjit. Today we will discuss number system. This is one of the best interesting chapter. Here in my question set, first two questions are very easy. I have discussed to clear the concept. But next question are a little difficult. All the problems can be solved using the concept. I hope you will enjoy the class. Let's see the question. The unit digit in 3 to the power 65 into 6 to the power 59 into 7 to the power 71 is, okay. Unit digit in 3 to the power 4 is 1. Okay. 3 square into 3 square. 9 into 9, 81. Then 1. Then 3 to the power 4 whole power 16 unit digit 1. Given 3 to the power 65. Then we can write 3 to the power 4 power 16 into 3. 4 into 16, 64. Then unit digit 3. 1 into 3, 3. Okay. Next digit 6 to the power 59. 6 square equal to 36. 6 cube equal to 216. So we can say any power of 6 always 6. Now next digit 7 to the power 71. 7 power 4 unit digit 1. 7 square into 7 square. 49 into 49. 9 into 9, 81. Then unit digit 1. Okay. Then we can write 7 to the power 71 equal to 7 power 4 whole power 17 into 7 cube. Okay. 7 cube equal to 343. Then unit digit 1 into 3. Then 3. Required unit digit 3 into 6 into 3 equal to 54. Then answer is 4. Answer C. Okay. Next question. The unit digit in 7 to the power 95 minus 3 to the power 58 is, okay. We know unit digit in 7 to the power 4 is 1. 7 square into 7 square. 49 into 49. Then 9 into 9, 81. Okay. Given 7 to the power 95. Then we can write 7 power 4 whole power 23 into 7 cube. Then unit digit 1 into 7 cube equal to 343. Then unit digit 3. So unit digit in whole number is 3. Okay. Now 3 to the power 58. We can write 3 power 4 14 into 3 square. Okay. Then 1 into 9. Given 7 to the power 95 minus 3 to the power 58. Then we can write 3 minus 9. Then 13 minus 9 equal to 4. Answer B. Okay. Next question. On multiplying a number by 7, all the digits in the product appear as 3's. Okay. The smallest such number is. Let's see. Sorry. 2, 6, 4, 3, 8, 9. 1, 3, 2 is a number of 9 digits. Okay. First, group the odd places 3 digits. Odd places 3 digits, 3 digits. And even places 3 digits separately. Okay. Now, sum of odd places number is 132 plus 264 equal to 396. Okay. Then difference between 396 and even places number 389 equal to 396 minus 389 equal to 7. Okay. If the answer is either 0 or multiple of 7, then whole number will be completely divided by 7. Okay. In this way 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1. Odd places 3 digits even. Minus 0. 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2. Odd even. Minus 0. 3, 3, 3, 3, 3, 3. Odd even. Minus 0. So, we can say 3, 3, 3, 3, 3, 3 is completely divided by 7 and all the digits appear the same. Then answer is Answer is 3, 3, 3, 3, 3, 3 by 7 equal to 4, 7, 6, 1, 9. Here answer is A. 4, 7, 6, 1, 9. Answer is A. Okay. Answer A. Next question. There are 4 prime numbers written in ascending order. Okay. The product of first 3 is 385 and that of the last 3 is 1001. The question is the first number is. Okay. Let the given prime numbers be A, B, C and D. Okay. Then product of first 3 is A, B, C by product of last 3 is B, C, D equal to 385 by 1001. Okay. Now HCF of 385 and 1001 is 77. Okay. B, B, C, C. Then we get A by D equal to 385 by 77, 5, and 1001 by 77 we get 13. The question is, first number is answer 5. Okay. Answer A. See next question. What is the maximum value of m if the number n equal to 90 into 42 into 324 into 55 is divisible by 3 to the power m? Okay. Given n equal to 90 into 42 into 324 into 55. Okay. Now 90 equal to 9 into 10. Then we can write 3 square into dash, because we need to only count power of 3. Okay. Then 42 equal to 3 into 14. Then 3 into 324 equal to 81 into 4. Then 3 to the power 4 into 55. There is no digit of 3. Then answer is sum of power 3, 2, 3 plus 4, 7. Then answer is 7. Answer B. Okay. Next question. A number when divided by 6 leaves a remainder 3. Okay. When the square of the same number is divided by 6, the remainder is. Let the number be x and quotient q. Okay. Here divisor 6 and remainder 3. Then we can write x equal to 6q plus 3. When the square of the same number, then x square equal to 6q plus 3 whole square equal to 36 q square equal to 6 plus 6q plus 9. Common 6 q square plus q plus 1 plus 3. Okay. It is completely divided by 6. Then the remainder is 3. Okay. Answer is D. Next question. If 17 power 200 is divided by 18, the remainder is. Okay. Let fx equal to x to the power n minus a to the power n. Then f minus a. equal to minus a power n minus an. Then an minus an equal to 0 when n is even. We get fx or x minus an is completely divided by x plus a when only n is even. So we can write 17, follow this rule, 17 to the power 200 minus 1 to the power 200 is completely divided by x plus a equal to 17 plus 1, 18. Okay. Then 17 power 200 minus 1 is completely divided by 18. Okay. Then question is 17 power 200. Then 17 power 200 when divided by 18, the remainder is only 1. Answer C. Okay.